Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out the brand new palette from Beauty Bay, the eyeshadow palette, which is called the Rich palette. So this one was released a few days ago, and to be honest with you, when I saw on their Instagram that they'd released this, I couldn't click add to basket quick enough because it is right up my street. I absolutely love like rich warm tones, and this palette looks stunning. So it says on the back it's got 16 rich warm browns, deep plums and golden shimmer and matte shades to indulge in. The Rich palette is here to help you create soft glam looks with a difference. Yeah, I would say looking at the palette, it rich, like the word rich for the palette, is perfect because they are just such beautiful colours. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, which is the same as all of the other Beauty Bay palettes from this kind of collection, if you know what I mean. And then this is the actual palette itself, and we have this colour story. Now this is what I mean when I say this is stunning. This appeals to me so much, I cannot explain that enough. I think it's got really beautiful tones in it. So this is a 16 pan palette. They did have 42 and I think 9 available as well. This one has 9 shimmers and 7 matte shades in it, which to be honest I think is a really nice ratio. And then this is the swatches. How beautiful are these? That colour on the end, which is called mulberry, is stunning, absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely going to be trying that one. Right, okay, so getting stuck straight into it, I've just primed my eyelids and I'm going to start off by going into the shade Cello, which is this one just here, kind of in my crease area. Okay, lovely. And then for the edge of that, so to blend it out, I'm going to go in with the shade Organza, which is this one just here. It's kind of like a really nice, almost pinky shade. I'm just going to blend right around the edge. Yeah, that's worked really nicely actually. And then for the outer and the inner parts, I'm going to kind of do a bit of a halo eye today. I'm going to go in with that gorgeous mulberry shade. So it's this one just here. That's really nice. Beautiful pigment to it as well. Such a stunning, stunning colour. This is kind of like one of my favourite colours. Okay, so absolutely love that. What a really nice colour. And then on the centre, I'm going to go in with a shimmer. And I'm going to take, I think I'm going to go with Spritz, which is this kind of pinky shade just here. And then I'm going to use Garnet. So that one just there, that's my birthstone. And just pop, kind of pat it very gently over the top of Spritz. So starting off with Spritz, so that was this one here. I think I'll try it with my brush and then see how we get on. Yeah, it's going to be better with my finger. that's fine. So we'll go on with that. Yeah, way better. Okay, and then I'm going to take, as I say, the colour Garnet, which is this really nice purple here, and I'm just going to pat that over the top. Oh, that's nice. Okay, really nice. So then underneath, I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take the shade Fondant, which is this like chocolate brown just here. Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, I'll just finish off with a bit of mascara and some lipstick, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. Well, almost. This eye, oh, honestly, it drives me insane. Absolutely drives me insane. I've been faffing around for the last half an hour because it keeps watering. I'm wearing off my eyeshadow. Oh, I'm getting to the point where I'm just like, oh, I give up. But anyway, yeah, this is the finished look, and I do really like it. If we look at this eye, yeah, I think it's really nice, really nice. I love this mulberry shade. The shimmer's beautiful, blends so nicely. I sound like a broken record when it comes to Beauty Bay palettes because they are such good quality, and I just absolutely love them, to be quite honest with you. I've bought, I think, every single release that they've brought out. But yeah, I forgot to mention at the beginning, this is £14 for this palette, which is such a good price for the quality of it. But as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!